Markets are dumping across the board, and not just crypto, guys. I'm talking about TradFi as well. How does XRP look relative to the rest of the market? Quite honestly, I think it looks pretty freaking strong compared to the rest of the market. And why is that? Well, we have been looking at this range of oscillation that XRP has been in. $2.86 on the top to $2.01 at the bottom. Now, I gave you guys one of the best bid opportunities, and now not only am I going to represent that bid opportunity today, okay, telling you that that is going to be the most easiest trade to manage, but in addition to that, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to watch out for that could very well turn XRP bullish very, very fast. Get one thing straight. The lack of discipline in these phases of the market will be punished. What is discipline on your trade setups? Well, ask yourself, when are you wrong on the trade? Should you be selling into support right now, that to critical support? No, when I come out here on a daily basis and I give you guys those bid zones and the invalidations, that gives you a set of guidelines on which you can be disciplined on. So let's cut right to the chase. What turns this very bullish very, very fast? Well, I want us to consider today's date. Today is the 19th of December, 2024. We are officially less than 2 weeks away from 3 critical candle closes. The first one being the annual candle close, the second one being the quarterly candle close, and the third one being the monthly candle close. And believe it or not, guys, they're all hinged on this one bid zone that I last presented to you. Now, I'm annotating the numbers on my screen. The immediate bid zone on XRP comes in from around 201 all the way up to 220. So let's begin with the annual time frame. Each candle on here represents 12 months of price action. This is the annual candle of 2024, 2023, 22, 21, 2020, so on and so forth. Now notice how on the previous 2 bull markets, the bull market of 2018 as well as the bull market of 2021, price did not close over $2, guys. Not a single annual close over $2.01. Notice this year of 2024, we are less than 2 weeks away from closing this annual candle. If the year of 2024 closes over $2, we would have done something we have never done before. It could very well be the catalyst that actually launches XRP into new highs, setting the stage for 2025. Now, this is the annual chart. Let's get into the quarterly chart. Because perhaps the annual chart actually found resistance at 201, but the quarterly candles probably closed over 201. Did they close over 201 in the previous cycles? No, they did not. Now, in this chart, each candle represents 3 months of price action. Now, even on this bull market of 2018-2017, while prices did rally, not a single close over $2.01 even on the quarterly chart. In fact, the bull market of 2021 was a swift rejection at $2, okay? Didn't even attempt to peak over $2. Now notice the stark difference of 2024. Currently, price is hovering over $2.01. Once again, we close this candle in less than 2 weeks. Holding 201 is going to be a big feat for XRP on the quarterly as well, as it had never done it before in the past 2 bull markets that we saw. Now, okay, let's move down a time frame, perhaps maybe a monthly close over $2.01. Well, let's go ahead and check that out. Now, this is the monthly time frame where each candle represents 1 month of price action. But let's go ahead and figure out if we even saw a monthly close over $2.01. I'm going to just zoom out of this chart. Did we see a monthly close over $2.01? No. In the previous 2 bull markets, even there, guys, not a single monthly close over 201. All right, which is why, okay, $2.01 is a critical region of support, right? Which is what also makes it an excellent bid opportunity, because managing the trade off of 201 becomes very easy. If in the next 2 weeks prices close underneath this red box territory, underneath 201, you know you're wrong on the trade. You can get out of the trade with a minimal loss, and you have like this really strong confirmation in that, okay, prices want to take another pullback, but it's the strongest confirmation you can get on XRP's chart. But that said, jumping the gun on exiting positions at this critical region of support before the candle closes can be disastrous, because just in case it closes over this critical region of support, I want you guys to then consider the entire picture right here. we would essentially be looking at a cyclical resistance break, the resistance of 201, which has never been cleared before in XRP's history. Now, our bid zone on XRP remains the same. The last time I had presented this bid zone from 220 going down to 201, I'm not changing anything on this zone. Right before, it was hinged on the 12-hour dynamic as well as that critical region of resistance now flipped into support. Now, can prices make its way down to 201? Yeah, I believe it can. I'll show you exactly why. Now, for those of you interested in taking this trade on XRP, but you're still in the hunt for a good exchange, then definitely check out BitUnix. There is no KYC on there, no country restriction. So irrespective of where you are, you can actually put on the trade on that exchange. Additionally, if you use the link in the description below, you can get up to 5.5K in deposit bonuses. You can use that towards your trading fees. You can build new positions as well as you can practice your leverage trading with it. Now, here's why I think XRP can actually make its way down to 201. Get into the dashboard, app.mangoresearch.co, check out the trend and volatility profile. Yeah, okay, daily to weekly, longs across the board, bulls are still in control, and you know what, I agree with this because guess what? XRP on the trend, guys, on the macro trend, looks freaking fantastic still. It's still in our zone of oscillation as we had discussed weeks ago. You can see the returns on there, 320, 277, 162, 116. For those of you caught the trades on this, freaking amazing job. Now check out the 4-hour. 4-hour has turned short. Short equals bearish. This came in 24 hours ago, okay? And in fact, the bears are seeing follow through because price has actually dumped 4.96% ever since we got that trend reversal right there. But now what's alluding to XRP wanting to come down more is the volatility. Volatility hovering at 51, super healthy, telling me that the bears still have a lot more juice left in them to take prices down even further. Additionally, FGI equals Fear and Greed Index. This is an index for sentiment, is still sitting at extreme fear, telling me that this could sort of hit an equilibrium of sorts. And in hitting that equilibrium, we could still see prices pull back a tad bit more. So I say 201 is a high probability bid zone right now. And managing the trade off of that region is going to be super duper easy. Because in case prices break, you know you're wrong on the trade very fast. You get to get out with a minimal loss and perhaps even reposition lower. On the flip side, this could also be the level where prices actually get picked up on. Alright, you never want to be selling right into critical support. That is a recipe for disaster because it's usually on support where the buyers step in. All right, don't sell into critical support. It's only when prices lose support that you have now solid confirmation in that, okay, we're coming down lower. But at the very least, wait on that solid confirmation. Confirmation is key in the world of trading. Now, before we wrap, guys, for those of you in the Sprouts program, the first 2 lessons of Module 8 is out. Lesson 3 drops tonight, but check out what Pilo has to say. Now, this one is on pattern trading. He says, I recommend every Sproutling to check out the beginning of the chart patterns module. It was worth the wait. There is some serious alpha out there. The psychology and context around it really helped me to understand how to use patterns the efficient way. People often misinterpret patterns and they do not really know which ones are worth trading. So I go over that very critical component of pattern trading in the first 3 lessons of this module. This is going to form the foundation of everything else that comes after. So if you haven't already watched it, go ahead and do so. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the likes. I will now see you in the Discord chat with this. Trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.